In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text box in LibreOffice Writer. If you have a text box in your Writer document that you no longer need, the good news is that removing it is usually very quick. In most cases, it only takes a few clicks as long as you select the text box itself and not just the text inside it. That distinction is important because clicking inside the box will place your cursor in the text, while clicking the border lets you select the whole object. To get started, open your LibreOffice Writer file and go to the page where the text box appears. Take a moment to locate the box you want to remove so you can work on the correct item, especially if your document contains multiple shapes or text elements. The fastest way to delete it is to click directly on the border of the text box, not inside the text area. When the text box is properly selected, you should see small square handles appear around it. Those handles confirm that the entire object is selected. Once you see them, simply press the delete key on your keyboard. That will remove the text box from the document. If pressing delete doesn't work, or if you're having trouble selecting the text box because it's behind other content or too close to other objects, there's another easy method you can use. Press F5 on your keyboard to open the navigator in LibreOffice Writer. The navigator is a helpful panel that lets you find and select different elements in your document more precisely. Inside the navigator, look for a section labeled Drawing Objects or Text Boxes, depending on how the object is categorized in your version of LibreOffice. Expand that section if needed, then find the text box in the list and click it to select it. This is especially useful when the object is difficult to click on directly in the document. After the text box is selected from the navigator, press delete on your keyboard. That will remove it just like the direct selection method. So to recap naturally, you first open your LibreOffice Writer document, then try selecting the text box by clicking its border and pressing delete. If that's difficult, open the navigator with F5, find the text box under Drawing Objects or Text Boxes, select it there, and then press delete. And that's it. That's how to remove a text box in LibreOffice Writer quickly and cleanly.